Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup copy. You do not want to damage the original. Once backed up, change the file extension from XLSX to zip and extract it with your zip utility. Now inspect the archive and find the Excel folder, specifically Workbook, XML, and the Worksheet subfolder. You're doing this because Excel stores protection flags in XML. Modifying those flags removes the lock. Make sure the file is not open in Excel while you work. Otherwise, changes won't save correctly. You now open the Worksheet XML in a text editor. Use something that preserves encoding. Search for sheet protection and workbook protection elements. These control password locks. Carefully remove those tags or the password/hash attributes while preserving surrounding XML structure. Once edited, save the file using UTF-8 without BOM if possible, and verify no extra whitespace or characters were introduced. Improper edits break the file. If multiple sheets have protection, repeat for each affected sheet file before you repackage the archive. You're ready to repackage. Compress the extracted folder contents back into a zip archive, preserving the internal folder tree, then rename it to XLSX. Open the file in Excel 2007 and try editing cells and workbook structure. You should no longer be prompted for the password. If Excel reports corruption or the file won't open, revert to your backup immediately. As a troubleshooting tip, validate the modified XML for well-formedness. A single missing character can prevent Excel from opening the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.